channel. This is Shivani, and again, look who's here with us. I don't think he needs introduction anymore. So yeah, so today we are here again for a new challenge. It's called Couple Game, and we are going to answer some of your questions, and let's see who wins. So it's him means he, and her means Anna, and then me means myself.
Yep.
Same thing with him. Very simple game. Let's start. So first question is, who takes longer shower? Him.
Yeah, I do. I mean, not every day.
Yeah. But whenever he does, I think he takes longer shower.
Yeah, I like to just fill the bathtub with full of water and just relax for some time.
Okay, let's not get there. Okay, next. Who's more high maintenance? Yeah. I think both of us, not both of us, actually none of us. It's confusing. It's not high maintenance. It's like, okay, if we need this, then we definitely go and purchase those items. But if we don't need it, then we don't really need it. We ask each other.
Especially usually this will be a lot of girls will be high maintenance, but for her it's super less. She tries to be minimalistic with the makeup, with the purchases, dresses and everything. She tries to be say if it's really needed, yeah, she likes it, really, go get it. But if she's I might like it, might not, she will try to avoid it.
Thank you.
That's a compliment, but you
I
are
think-
like that.
I think I told him off camera to say something nice to me.
She didn't. This is coming from the heart.
Oh wow, okay. Okay, who cooks the most? Yeah, I'm the cook in the house, chef
And she's
in the
really
house.
nice, chef. You should check out her other videos to see how she's cooking. She's really good.
Thank you. Who starts the argument?
See, this is one argument.
It's him. He's the one who starts the argument.
But actually, she's the one who starts the blame, so I need to argue, right?
See?
I need to defend myself.
So by now he's convinced that he's the one who argues.
Okay, yeah,
Okay.
that's me.
Who ends the argument? Him.
Yeah, me. I try to say something and then she argues and then me argue and then she argue and then I try to make a point. I'm the one who tried to make a point and she is the one who tried to prove she's right. And I think
My wife is always right? That's why I'm on the right side. Okay. Who wins the argument?
it depends.
Yeah, it actually depends. Yeah,
It should be right. If every time one person wins, there would be no balance, right?
That's true. Okay. Who's more likely to go skydiving?
Oh, she definitely. She loves skydiving.
Yeah.
She wanted to go once,
Yeah.
and now I think it's time.
Let's see. With a baby, I don't know. Okay. He's here. Okay. Who eats the loudest?
It's me.
The loudest.
Eats the
Chaba
loud-
chaba ke.
Yeah, it's
Not
me.
chaba chaba ke, but
Making sound.
making sound.
Yep,
Yeah.
I am the one.
Yeah, he is the one.
I try to avoid in professional environment, but at home I don't.
Yeah.
I like it. So many people likes that, right? The chai chuski leke.
Haan.
I don't drink chai, but I do it with the food.
Okay. Who sleeps more?
Sleeps more.
Yeah.
she.
Sleeping is one of my hobbies. You
She
can
loves to
consider
sleep. Just today morning, right? Me and Shivans were going for a walk,
Yeah.
and I asked her do you want to come join? And she's like, I'm relaxing.
No, I know. I told him I'll come after 10-15 minutes.
And then I
was-
texted after
Yeah,
that.
and then after half an hour they came back and I was still on the bed. Okay. Okay. Who drives better?
Yeah, she. Sorry. She is really good driver. I don't need to worry. Usually girls are like on the other side. Like people are more worried if some girls are driving, but she is really good in driving, and even on the heels or even big truck, I can rely on her.
Okay. Who's the cleanest?
She. Yeah, I think this is normal for like I can't generalize for all the boys, but this is normal. Like girls like to be more clean.
No, I have seen boys who
More
cleans
tidy and
more
clean?
too. Yeah.
Cleans more is different thing, but likes more clean. That's different.
No, there are a lot of people.
That's what I'm telling. I don't think I want to generalize it, but I have lived with so many boys and bachelor days, so I know how boys are. I don't know about girls, but I feel like girls are more trying to be clean and make things tidy.
Okay. It's compliment. Okay. Compliment for all the girls. We can consider that. Okay, next. Who eats the last snack in the ball when you're sharing a ball while watching movie or anything?
Why me?
Damn.
Why me?
You take the last bite.
Depends. If it's spicy or something which you like, bakaradi or something, then you. If it's sweet, I would do it. So
Sis!
depends on the food, right?
No, it's always him.
Okay. She's always right.
Yeah, that's why. Again, on the right side. Who's the first one to say it's time to go home when you are at the party or visiting friends or family?
Yeah, she.
Yeah, I don't like, being surrounded by, a lot of people, especially like stranger if I'm at the party and I'm not a party person, but if I'm at the party, if I have to go, then I get really bored.
I mean, this is not exactly relevant, but even when I was trying to propose her, she's like, "Can you propose me when nobody's around?" So, yep.
Yeah. Who eats the fastest when you go out for dinner? Him.
Yeah.
He is the fastest. Yeah.
Yeah,
If you go out and even at home, like he eats faster than me. Yeah. It takes time to eat.
And it's good.
Yeah,
Good to
it's
chew
good,
more
yeah.
and.
So who has trouble getting out of bed in the morning? Yeah, we just talked about it. I'm not an early riser, so
And even for sleep, she's like she'll take time, and I'll be like in 2 minutes.
yeah. He can fall asleep in 2 minutes, and I need like half an hour to go to sleep. Yeah,
And watch some Salman Khan videos.
not all the time. Okay, who has the sweet tooth? So who eats more dessert? Sweet. Yeah. He
I love
loves,
it.
Yeah, he loves sweet.
Like I am like again, this is not generalizing it, but Gujaratis are more preferring on the
I am
dessert side.
Gujarati and I don't
And-
like to eat that much
And
sweet.
I am following that trend.
So he's pure Gujarati. He's pure Gujju.
Because we put even sugar in some
Some of the
curries
food,
and
yeah.
everything, right?
And some, not all.
Yeah, some.
Yeah. So, who eats the most?
Yummy.
Yeah. I think boys, right? Overall, boys eats the most.
Yep. I eat like if I go in the buffet, I would definitely पूरा वसूल करके आऊँगा.
So
Attitude.
he's like that. And if I go to buffet or something, and I would be like, oh, I don't think I can be able to handle the buffet criteria.
She'll be like, ये खत्म कर देगा. ये मेरे पार्ट का खा लेगा, मुझे और भी खाना है. We don't like to throw like some food
Yeah,
out,
we don't
so
like
we try
to-
to finish everything.
Yeah, we don't like to waste food.
And so
We rather
all the
give it to
waste
someone
which
else.
she doesn't want goes to me.
Goes to his stomach. Basically. Okay. Who drinks coffee or tea the most?
She.
Yeah, because he doesn't drink coffee or tea.
At all, yeah, and she is not like a more like just in between us. She is more.
Yeah.
Otherwise, once in a week she drinks tea.
Like once or twice in a week tea, and then like 2-3 times coffee in a week. Yeah. Not that much. I'm not a caffeine person, but like yeah, I like to drink some caffeine.
She'll tell coffee, इतना डालेगी like
A pinch or two pinches.
And then she'll be like, I'm drinking coffee. I think she's just trying to convince herself
Yeah.
she's having a coffee and trying to avoid the health part of
Yeah.
it.
But I love chai.
She
I
does.
love chai, yeah. But yeah, again, I don't drink that much.
Yeah, once in a week we go to we try to get some samosas and
Yeah.
tea, and that's really nice.
Yeah.
And trying to be unhealthy maybe.
Who annoys the most?
I don't. I don't. She. I mean, nobody annoys. Usually, we fight very less. I mean, fighting is good for a relationship to communicate.
Maintain a healthy relationship, yeah.
But we try to not be annoying or trying to be to sacrifice for each other. And still she feels I am the one who annoys. Why? Should I ask?
There's a question I need to answer something.
And she's always right.
I can't point on myself, so it's him. Okay. Who's the laziest? What? Him?
I mean, she's laziest when she's in the bed, but when she's out and working,
Yeah,
she'll be very
yeah.
quick and want to finish it.
Yeah, then why it's her?
Yeah, because in the bed you are the laziest. You want to be awake at the end after maybe everybody is awake. So you. By me, by the way.
I can't say I'm the laziest.
Whenever she's I can't take the blame. Now you guys know.
If you have not checked out our Never Have I Ever challenge, do check it out. We have talked about this stuff in that video, so do check it out.
And it's really funny.
Yeah, it's really funny. Okay, who's the moodiest?
Moodiest? She. How come me?
I'm not.
Whenever she's we have mood swings. That happens because of the mood.
Okay, I'll change it.
This time she is first time I'll show me.
Okay. Who's the pickiest? He. When we clean clothes and
I'm
everything, whenever we go to mall or anything, mall or somewhere, to get something for him, especially for him, he'll be taking forever to get that stuff.
Because we only need maybe few things.
Yeah, but
So we won't.
ever.
Yeah, I would like to choose my options, and that's why I took time.
That's why I don't like to go out.
She loves to go out and try
Yeah,
different
man.
stuff. Okay, this is just for me.
Yeah. Who sleeps the fastest? Yeah,
Yeah.
him. Yeah, he sleeps the fastest.
And then
Who's-
we told about Salman Khan's videos, right? She loves to watch. It's her dream actually, right?
What?
To meet Salman once. If Salman is watching the video once, would you like to tell something?
Yeah, can you please meet me? Call me. Okay.
Bye bye.
Okay. Who's the early riser?
Yep.
Yeah, he wakes up early in the morning. Who has the shortest temper?
First time. I'm saying first time she's
I
accepting.
think this is the only question belongs to me. Maybe two others.
Yeah, and I would say if short tempering is okay, she gets angry soon, it's okay. But I would like to see her the same way calming down also. She takes hours or maybe sometimes a day or two to just calm back. Right? But she is improving. Earlier she was a week, now she's days and now hours. And she's coming back faster. So that might be good for me.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, she's improving.
Okay.
That's awesome. And
So,
she's
yeah.
doing it for us. So
Yeah.
that's really good. So that's where we were telling each other, right? Having some sacrifices. Any other questions do you guys like? Do you want to ask us anything more
Yeah.
in the comments? Any of your answers? We would love to read any funny things which happened to you.
So yeah, that's it for today's. If you have any question that you want to ask us and or do any other challenges like this, do comment down below. And if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. Bye bye. I don't think. Yeah, and then. Bye.